What's up? Just got back here running late tonight, but come back here behind the house, sitting in our half-built blind. You can see that. We got a wall built up on the front, but it's not ready, but it serves a purpose. Be nice next year. Got my bow, firearm season, but I did bring one little toy that I might kill a doe with if it comes in. Got me a Smith & Wesson M&P 9 or 10 millimeter. I don't know if you can read that or not, but got a Burris Fast Fire 3 red dot on it. So never killed a deer with a pistol, so I need to make that happen eventually. So might kill a doe with that. Well, hang tight and hopefully get some live action soon. That was something new. Never shot a deer with a pistol. I think I got a good shot on her, so we'll see. Using the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 10 millimeter. The Burris Fast Fire 3 red dot. Using Hornady 180 grain hollow points. That's a sweet unit. Feels perfect. It's got them changeable grips on the back. I took the original one off, put the smaller one on. It fits in my hand perfect now. But recoil's not bad at all. You can handle a 45. You can handle this with ease. Holds decent groups. It was easy to sight in. That I really like that red dot. Good clarity to it. Like I said, it was simple to sight in. So I kind of want to go see what kind of shot I got. I need to replay the video, watch it again. But I'm pretty sure I heard it crash right over here. So we'll see. My brother's texted me, heard me shoot, asking if that's me. So I need to answer him. But hang tight. Hopefully walk up on a deer here pretty quick. So I decided to get down a little bit early while I can still see. Look for some blood, see if I can find this deer by the time my brother gets here. So just a young doe, but needing some deer meat. We don't have any in the freezer. We got some summer sausage and stuff, but that's it. Need some back straps. All right, let's see if I can pick this blood up and find this deer real quick. I waited a little bit too long. It's hard to find blood. Find it. It's not enough light. Should come in through here. It's blood. Yeah, there she is. So I could leave my bow out there. Yeah, I still buck. That was my bow. That was the primary purpose of coming. Never killed one with a pistol, so to do that. You gotta go. Year and a half old. Good shot on her with a pistol for my first time. That'll do it. She didn't go far. She went, 80 yards probably. it is. Sweet. Make some bratwurst this weekend. Alright, well, like the video, drop a comment. Appreciate you guys watching, and hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. We'll talk to you later.